Alright guys, so this is everything I have. I have some onions, some chopped tomatoes, some peppers, I have green and orange, and I also have my chickpeas right here. My chickpeas is the ones I'm going to use, they're organic. And I also have some shrimp that I'm going to season. And I do have some shrimp that I had last night that are seasoned already at the bottom. So I'm just going to re-season them all together. And I also have some kale and some spinach that is kind of going bad because I didn't use it, so I'm going to use it today. And then I also have my seasonings. I'm going to use some onion powder, some pepper that I put in here, some Dominican oregano. I'm going to use some ground paprika, some garlic powder, and some sea salt. I'm sorry, pink Himalayan salt. And this is the one that I have, and I'll just put it in here so it'll be easier for me. My pan is ready, and it's pretty much all we're going to be using right now. And let me just make sure I didn't forget anything. I don't use this just because it has a lot of sodium, so I love you, you know, I really do love this, but I'm not going to use this. And I'm going to be using this spray right here just because I don't have olive oil, and I don't want to use anything that will give my food any more like calories or like bad ingredients or anything. So this is the nutrition facts for this in the back, and then these are the nutrition facts for the chickpeas if you guys want to see it. And all right, let's get cooking. All right, so this is the best I could do to show you guys. So I'm gonna turn mine on, put some I'm gonna put the onions, I'm gonna put the peppers, just gonna let that little cook. Gonna add chickpeas. I freaking love chickpeas. They're so good. Just gonna let that cook for a little bit, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so everything is ready. My shrimp is ready. And my food is ready too. So it's so friggin' good. Stir for you guys. These look so yummy. So good. I have my plate right here. I'm about to start playing. It looks so. I like the shrimp queen. Shrimp woman. Shrimp girl. Let's call me shrimp girl, okay? Alright, I'm the shrimp girl. Anyways, okay. So, alright, so let's paint this. Let's do it. Yo, my skills are on fleek, right? Right? Okay. Alright, so let's get like something like this, you know. Alright. A little bit of everything there. So good. Put some shrimp. Alright, so how freaking good does that look? That looks yummy. Look how delicious. I don't know, where's the light? Look how delicious that looks. It looks so good. So many greens. I like shrimp and not a lot of sodium. It's seasoned perfectly. Like, I should be a chef. Like, bro, this looks so good. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna eat this, and this is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, guys.